Estelle, I'm French, and today is day 3 of my trip to Frankfurt in Germany. It's super sunny! So today I'm going to the Palmengarten and the Botanical Garden. I think there are two different things, but they are basically close. Yes, die Grünen. Right, so apparently the Botanical Garden is free and the Palmengarten is €9. Okay, I'm just going to visit both anyway, so that's my only plan for today. Right, about the Botanical Garden. In French. Vaste jardin botanique du 19e siècle, collection de palmiers et d'orchidées visibles dans des serres. About the Palmengarten, Tropicarium, Palm House, exhibition galleries are accessible only during ticket. No, that's something else. Yeah, anyway. Okay, Palmengarten. The entrance is inside. There we go. Oh, that is cute. Right, so that's the Palmengarten. I am there, and basically I think the Botanical Garden, so the Botanical Garden, they are this part there and they are part of the University of Frankfurt. He's trying so hard to do the same thing. It is nearly lunchtime. And look, a cafe. That's Frankfurt sausage. That's Apfelschorle. That's basically apple juice, and it's sparkling. And Kartoffelsalat. That's a potato salad. I can hear the frogs, but I don't see them. think that those are for staff only, so I'll not be able to visit those. Oh, that's nice. I think that's the back of it. There's, yeah, the trucks. Yeah, that's the back. Okay, I think if I go there, I will see the front of the greenhouse. This greenhouse looks absolutely gigantic, but I need to find the entrance. Wow. I can hear frogs. I'm absolutely getting lost in the greenhouse, and I don't think that the entrance I came in was like the main entrance. So this one is actually the palm house. That's the roseraie here. Qu'est-ce que tu fais toi? I think that's actually the main entrance of the Palman Garden, because there's an exit in this building, and that's probably the main entrance. Oh wait, so there are also exhibition galleries I haven't seen. And they said that the Palman house, so the palm house is right there, but then what is that? Is that the galleries? So the gallery is closed, and that's the gallery then. Okay, to the palm house. Ah, that's this building, the Palman house. The weather in there is tropical. It's really humid and hot. Okay, so I have seen everything I wanted to see in the Palman Garden, so this garden. I'm going to try to see if I can enter into the Botanical garden, so the Botanical garden, because it's part of the university, I think, so it seems to be open to everyone, but I'm not 100% sure. And I've seen it closes at 6 p.m, so yeah. It's nearly 4 p.m. and it doesn't seem to be cute little bird. And yeah, I've basically walked the whole day into Palmengarten. I'm going to do the botanical garden, so I think I've had enough gardens for today. And stop assaulting this duckling. Hey. Bad duck, bad duck. I'm going to check again to see if the galleries are really closed or not, because it's a nice building and I would like to see it. Oh, it is closed. Alright, so I'm going to exit. And I am going to exit through this building because that way I will be closer to the Botanical Garden and I will also see the main entrance, which is behind. Okay, so that is the front, I guess, the main entrance. Alright, time for the umbrella. What is this place? Aha, Botanical Garden. Okay, so apparently it's open, it's not completely abandoned. Dear God, look at that. Like it looks, oh, that looks completely abandoned, doesn't it? I do understand just letting the plants grow everywhere on top of the concrete. That's actually a nice idea. You know, less concrete, more plants. But it just really looked like post-apocalyptic, you know? Like in a zombie movie or something. Just look at that. Doesn't it look like if you want to film a zombie movie in a university, you just go there, right? Alright, so it's already past 4 and it closes at 6. And yeah, I've already walked so much today. So yeah, I think I will do it sort of fast. It smells really good. Really green and fresh and humid. I think they're with compost. How's it going? Alright, I am getting back to the entrance, the exit too. Yeah. So it's 5 and 6 minutes. Yeah, it was a really short tour of this botanical garden. But yeah, I've already walked so much at the Palmengarten. So this botanical garden is really nice, but not as nice as the Palmengarten. It's mostly just places outside. There isn't as many buildings as in the Palmengarten. Okay, so 5 p.m. and I have finished my day. I'm not going to go to the Grüneburg Park because I have had my dose of park for today. And yeah, honestly the best was the Palmengarten. So I'm really happy I spent the day there. So now I'm going to walk back to the hotel. On my way there, it shouldn't be too dangerous, it should be okay. I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but there are a lot of junkies in the whole district around the train station. It's not too far from my hotel. Now from where I am, which is north, on my way to the hotel I shouldn't have a lot of problems. But yesterday when I went back to the hotel from the city center, I had like 2 people try to, basically they were a little bit too interested in my camera, and one of the guys tried like to take it, or I don't know, but basically he was I don't know on what he was, but basically he was in no shape to take my camera out of my hands. All I had to do was just walk faster, and that was fine. He just yelled at me. What I'm trying to say is the less gear I'm showing when I get close to the hotel, the better it is. So yeah, and I can take photos with my phone, worst case scenario. I'm still going to keep the GoPro on me. I'm just going to walk back the same way I came from, basically. The Palmengarten again. Nice buildings there. Yeah, I'm taking a different path actually. I'm going to go straight ahead there instead of going there and there. I'm also gonna have to buy dinner for tonight before going back to the hotel, but it's just nearby. Is that a rabbit? That is a rabbit. Okay, food there. I don't think I've ever seen another country so enthusiastic about rhubarb.